Hello all, I hope all are doing well. It's day we will learn common English mistakes hotel staff should avoid. This video will help you speak better and more professional English. So let's start. Mistake 1. What you want. It is wrong. How may I help you? It is correct. Mistake 2. Give give me your ID, please. No. May I see your ID? This is right. No problem. Something something sounds casual, like my pleasure. Come tomorrow. This is wrong. Please come tomorrow, sir or ma'am. This is right. Always use polite and professional English in hotels. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget like, share and subscribe.